Welcome back to Automotive Widgets. If you drive a Nissan Maxima 2004 to 2008 and your ride feels bumpy, unstable, or noisy, it might be time to replace your struts. In today's video, we'll review the top 5 best struts for Nissan Maxima, covering performance, comfort, and value, so you can pick the perfect fit for your car. Stay tuned till the end, because we'll share not only the top options but also tips to help you choose the right suspension upgrade for your Maxima. Let's get started. Number 5. Detroit Axle Front Struts. The Detroit Axle Front Struts pair offers a straightforward replacement option for 2004 to 2008 Nissan Maxima owners who need only the front suspension addressed. This set includes 2 complete struts with coil springs pre-assembled, making installation fast and hassle-free without needing special tools. Drivers have reported that these struts restore smooth steering response and reduce vibrations, especially when braking or driving over rough surfaces. They're designed to replicate the fit and function of OEM parts while keeping costs lower than dealership replacements. This option is particularly useful for Maxima owners who don't want to spend on a full suspension kit but still need reliable front-end support. It's also an excellent choice for budget-conscious drivers who prioritize safety and basic performance. While not as long-lasting as premium struts, they deliver a solid balance of ride comfort, stability, and affordability, making them one of the most popular aftermarket choices for Maxima front suspension replacements. Number 4. Detroit Axle APC Struts and Shocks Kit. If you're looking for a complete suspension overhaul, the Detroit Axle APC Struts and Shocks Kit is one of the most comprehensive options available for 2004 to 2008 Nissan Maxima models. This package includes 2 front struts with coil springs, 2 rear shock absorbers, and 4 front/rear sway bar links, giving you an all-in-one solution. For Maxima owners dealing with multiple suspension issues, like uneven tire wear, clunking noises, or poor cornering, this kit provides everything needed to restore handling and stability. Users reported dramatic improvement in ride quality, with smoother highway driving and tighter cornering after installation. The inclusion of sway bar links is especially valuable since they often wear out alongside struts and shocks. By replacing all these components together, you avoid mismatched performance and extend the overall life of your suspension system. While Detroit Axle isn't as premium as OEM parts, this kit is budget-friendly and ideal for drivers who want to refresh their entire suspension in one go without breaking the bank. Number 3. Detroit Axle Struts and Shocks. The Detroit Axle Struts and Shocks Kit is designed as a complete solution for Nissan Maxima models from 2004 to 2008. Unlike single replacements, this set includes 2 front struts with coil springs plus 2 rear shock absorbers, giving you a full front and rear suspension upgrade in one package. Many Maxima owners appreciate how this kit restores balance and stability. If your car has been bouncing excessively, leaning on corners, or producing knocking noises over bumps, this package addresses multiple suspension issues at once. It's also a time saver for mechanics and DIY installers since everything is included and pre-assembled. Customer feedback highlights improved ride comfort, reduced body roll, and better braking response after installation. For those who want a consistent and reliable ride without mixing old and new parts, this kit provides excellent value. Detroit Axle is also known for offering affordable alternatives to OEM struts, making it a go-to brand for cost-effective suspension replacements. Number 2. KAX Front Complete Struts. The KAX Front Complete Struts are another excellent option for Nissan Maxima owners looking to replace worn-out suspension parts. These struts come pre-assembled with coil springs and mounts, making them a true plug-and-play replacement for 2004 to 2008 models. What sets KAX apart is its focus on OEM-level performance at an affordable price. Many users have reported a smoother, quieter ride after installation, especially when driving on rough city roads. The enhanced damping helps reduce body roll during cornering, which is a big plus for drivers who prioritize stability. Another advantage is the durability of components. The struts are tested for strength and endurance, ensuring they can withstand everyday driving conditions. Whether it's highway cruising or city commuting, these struts provide a comfortable driving experience. For budget-conscious Maxima owners who still want high-quality suspension parts, KAX offers a well-balanced solution that combines reliability and affordability. Number 1. MOSTPLUS Front Strut Shocks. The MOSTPLUS front strut shocks are designed for 2004 to 2008 Nissan Maxima models and come as a complete strut assembly with coil springs and shock absorbers. This makes installation much easier since you don't need to compress springs or reuse old parts. Users often highlight how the MOSTPLUS struts restore factory-like ride quality, reducing vibrations and improving handling on highways. For Maxima owners experiencing uneven tire wear or nosediving during braking, these struts provide a noticeable upgrade. From a durability standpoint, the product is built with premium materials that resist corrosion and handle heavy usage. It's also a cost-effective solution compared to OEM parts, making it a strong choice for those who want reliable performance without overspending. Thanks for watching Automotive Widgets. We hope this guide on the best struts for Nissan Maxima helped you find the perfect upgrade for your car. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this with other Maxima owners. Also, check out the links in the description to grab any of these struts directly from Amazon. Until next time, drive safe and keep your car running smoothly with Automotive Widgets.